Yo, it's been a long time since I've done a VR video. And,
Bro!
I'm happy to see. I'm happy to. Oh, well, I got a very special guest. You might not recognize him.
Come on.
Calm down.
Yo.
Calm it down, bro.
Pink boy. You're pink. You know that, right?
Yeah. I don't give a damn.
Alrighty. So this is the new update, which just came out, actually. And we need to calibrate the thing to get the boat, which is probably that. There's gonna be a boat right there, so... You're so stupid. Come here.
My bad, I wasn't paying attention.
Alrighty, so we are going to get gear and maybe just buy a bunch of sticks.
Why do you think
that would work?
we just gonna buy a whole bunch of sticks. Okay, whatever you want to do.
To charge the capacitor, it says put in anything.
Wait, wrong. Walls suck. Walls aren't nice.
Say what?
Buddy. Oh, my hand's stuck.
So if you guys didn't know, this guy actually has a YouTube channel of his own.
And I'll add his at the end of the video on the screen.
Yeah, if you guys want to see his YouTube, I'll put it at the end of the video.
I'm trying not to risk to break my hand in half, so. I think this is gonna take a while.
It might be like a server-wide thing.
Oh. Oh, that's nice.
Yeah. Guys, can we still go inside of the reactor? Or maybe we can still do... Oh my god. That's a lot of
Where the hell did you go?
Yo, chill! We don't say that word here.
Where'd you find you go? I
no,
can see
I'm right here, bro.
you.
What are you talking
Alright,
Hey, bro.
are we gonna try, like, doing, are we just gonna try finishing it, or are we just gonna be like, I don't know. Ow.
I found a button and I want to see if it does anything, so just stand there, okay?
If it explodes on the left. Kaboom! There goes your...
Alright, bro, are you standing?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna try and press the button. It's on like a wall.
Something did happen.
Did it work?
Yeah, it did something.
What happened?
See this thingy in the middle? Like it exploded. Like
Okay, stand there, actually. I want to see what happens. Stand there.
It's gonna kill me. It's gonna kill me. What else do you expect?
Definitely. No. It's not gonna kill you, I promise. And if it does, I will buy you a grappler.
It's not gonna kill me. Watch, I'm gonna get a free grappler. Watch this. Please kill me. I'm gonna get a free grappler. I'm currently waiting for him to press it. Wow. Never mind, I'm not gonna... It didn't kill me.
Oh, good. See, I told you. Now it's my turn. Go click the button.
I don't even know where the button is.
It's right down here. It's down here. Yeah, I'm just kidding. Alright, come here.
Yeah, like I was gonna fall for that. I'd be moving a lot faster if I didn't know I was in the kitchen. Probably gonna get their hand ripped in half if they weren't careful. Like almost just happened.
Hey, you mind coming back down to the ground? Because I
Ow!
found a new feature.
That shit hurt.
Don't
My
mind me.
fingy hurts now. I literally it just got 200 pumped by nothing.
Yep, this guy. Oh my god, I can mute, report, or kick you.
What?
I'm gonna kick you.
No. Wait, you obviously can't do that. What?
Whoever killed me, I'm gonna kill you, bro.
Guys, I just found something weird. What is this?
Who wants what?
Called your mom.
Yo, who has a... Yo, whoever owns...
That wasn't very nice. Yeah. It just kind of lagged. Then it just then I just went into a public server.
Oh, it lags you out and then puts you into a public server?
Yeah.
Good to know.
It's I'm gonna put my video on YouTube and then
Now,
you
what
can
happens
watch
if
and
I
see what
report you?
happened. No, report me? Nothing will
Okay.
happen.
I'm gonna mute you. Hi.
Yeah, buddy. Buddy.
I want to know what he's saying.
Buddy.
You jump scared me
Yeah.
with buddy.
Buddy. Ah!
That's kind of cool.
Yo.
I mean, yeah, guys, that's about it for the video.
Yo,
much
hold up.
with the new
Hold up. We
update.
ain't done yet. We ain't done yet. What is this? I found a
Hold on,
ballistic
I gotta show
missile
you
of a
something
gun.
else. I'm gonna show you something else. Come here.
What is that?
It's a. You know what it is? It's a flamethrower. I can show you it, but you have to stand over there.
I'm not dying. I need rocket
No, it doesn't
ammo.
kill you. It doesn't kill you. It doesn't kill you.
Give me rocket ammo.
I can give you a immortality packet if you want it here. Eat that and it won't kill you. Okay,
I got
come over here.
flashbang 6 ways to Sunday.
Alright, bro, just... Yep. Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
Hold on, wait, stay up there, stay up there. Come down here. I wanted to show you something.
Hold
I wanted
on,
to
kill me
show-
again. Hold on.
Okay, I'll show you again. Okay.
Yo,
okay,
I'm seeing
okay,
something.
okay.
No, suicide bomber. How do you... Why did I waste my ammo? How about I just step on a landmine? Because I'm saving this thing. This thing is
I
awesome.
could show you the ejection misers. So if you stand on this, it'll take you to the new moon map. Or you could take the rocket, but you need a grappler to get to the rocket, which is up there.
This is
It's
gonna...
more...
I know what this is.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
This came out like 2 days ago, bro.
I'm not falling for it.
You're not?
No.
Bro, hold on. Oh, hold on.
You're not.
I forgot about these things. You need these. So you put these on the thing, and then. Yeah. See?
All right, go to the moon map then. Go to the moon map.
You want me to go to the moon?
Yeah. Hey, this is a nice rocket.
No, I'm just kidding.
Aw.
Hold on. I can actually.
Ah.
Bro, I can actually take you to the moon. Come down.
Oh. I found rookets.
Bro, come here.
What if I don't?
I'll just come here and I'll subscribe to you right here, right now.
You already subbed at me.
Come here.
How else
Okay.
would you think I have found your YouTube channel? Cause you're sub.
Yeah. Activate that and put it in the bag. Drop it. Thank you. I will be right back, and you're gonna be on the moon when I come back.
Huh? Nope. Yo, drink some water. For you, the very low viewers that are watching this, drink some water. Why am I on the moon?
I told you you would be on the moon.
Yeah, but not stepping in that bomb. Give me this. Nah, I'm gonna have to rough him up. Is there zero gravity?
There's low gravity.
Or low gravity?
Zero gravity.
Hold on. Come on. Yo, this is sick.
Bro, where'd you go?
Come here.
Nah, I'll pass. I love this thing.
I'm still behind you.
Nuh-uh. Yo,
on
I'm
your
scarred
guard.
still. Yeah. No, get off my cheeks. Get off my cheeks.
I'm still coming. I'm coming for you. Bro,
Not the
I don't know
wall.
where you think you're going.
I know where I'm going. Totally.
I'm gonna activate it. Come here. There you go.
Whoa. Hold on.
Now I can grab onto your car.
I'm scared. Drive straight into that hole, please. Please.
I'm on your car.
I feel like I'm about to get murdered.
You are, bro.
Get off the car. Get off the car. Get off the car. Get off the car. Run. Run. Oh, grenade. Gimme.
I'm still coming.
Got him. This one says monkey on it. Bro, I might crash out. Perfect. Juke. Totally good juke. Got you. I got you so
What
well.
do you mean,
Gimme.
Don't mind me.
Ow. Ha ha. Until we meet again.
Come here. Alright.
This
you know,
is
just
peak.
rub-
This is peak performance. No one can beat me, bruh. Can't beat me. And then do a quadruple global flip.
I can
I
revive
turned
you.
autistic.
I'm gonna revive. I can revive you.
I got flashbang 6 ways to Sunday.
Hold on. No. Come down here, bro. I can revive you.
Until we meet again.
I'm trying to revive you.
Oh, you thought? Oh, you're trash, you're trash, you're trash.
No.
I'm going too high, help! Help!
I'm
Help!
trying to revive you. I'm trying to do something nice.
No, please. No. Damn it. I'm gonna go mining. Instead of going down the mine for miners. Bro, you know what we should do? We're gonna leave. Then we're gonna... Well, not leave the game, but we're gonna go into the cave. I forgot where everything is. No, not get. Come on, please. Here. I need this.
Bro.
Steal this. Yeah, peanut butter. Oh, that just ruins. Okay. Alright. I was gonna hide for you while I mine. Yeah, you know, just troll with you. Oh, damn.
Oh, shit! A rat!
Yeah. Nah, this kid's geeking. Figure it out. Nah. Because I know you want to kill me. Sewers. Just at the start. Like when you first followed me. Hi. Hi, puppy. I'm literally still recording. You ain't done yet. I knew that from day one. Fuck off, monkey. I literally almost just got 200 pumped. Oh, how about it? I gotta go back. I'm going. I'm going to you now. Yeah. Oh no, I died, so I'm just like going to you now. This looks pretty good. That landmine looks pretty good. I definitely tore something on my foot and it hurts so bad. Nope. What do you mean, yes you did? I literally... Nah. Kidding. Yes. Yes. Metal pipe could work. I'm gonna snatch up this metal pipe and it'll be at the end. Why? Alright, let me just get myself stabbed. Alright, so this is just gonna be the finale of my video. Alright. Hurry it up. Ooh. You gave me a loadout. I'm so bad. I literally can't climb, bro. I'm that bad. Like, I'm doing it, but like, not the best. There's something. Let's not. Bro, I make it, then you fail. Let's launch. Death. It's aim. What the? Yes. Yo, this is sick. Yes. That's okay. That's the oh, it sucks you in. That is so nice. Oh my god. Wow. This is kind of fire. Oh, that would have been awesome. Alright, see you on the other side. Oh, you can actually buy from here? Oh. I'm gonna grab a telegram myself. Alright, if you get... Wait, how did you get it in there? Plot. I want to be in it though. That's the point. I don't give a damn. I'm not choosing. I died, but I'm still alive. Oh, I saw where you are. This is sick. So, is this like a summer update? Oh, it kind of looks like something like the summer thing. I'm pretty sure like a lot of people have been here, not just us. Kind of. Hey, they got two Oh, can you sell stuff? I'm gonna sell this umbrella. No. I've been recording for too long. Oh, here's the new map. Bye.
Promise you you'll catch me.